This is the PESUTEN LED under cabinet light. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instructions. Here is the light itself. Power cord, just a standard US plug to a figure 8 style connector, 2 mounting screws, and a connector piece, as you see right here. What this connector piece is for is because these are linkable. As you see, there is an opening over here that can be taken out, and that piece can be attached. So you can see this can go on right over here and stick in. The next light can attach to that, and then you can have a whole series of them connected as such. Back of it has the provisions for mounting. As you see right there, the instructions tell you how to do that. The light itself has quite a control panel on it. Warm white, natural white, cool white. 3-position switch. So you can choose which color temperature you want. Over here is on and off, low brightness, off, high brightness. Very simple to operate, and you can get just the right color for what you want. Let's test it out. This light is 12 inches, 6 watts, 450 lumens, and the cord over here is 71 inches long, so it shouldn't be a problem for most installations. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It's currently set to warm white. There's your low brightness and high. Back to low and high. So definitely a difference right there. We'll go to the natural white, which is that right there. Low brightness, high brightness. And the cool white is right there. Low brightness, high brightness. Let me shut the room lights out and kind of rig this up above so you can get an idea of what it'll do. So if you imagine this were over your sink, for example, you can turn that on. That's on the warm white, low brightness and high. Back to low. We go to the natural white, low brightness, high brightness, cool white, low brightness, and high brightness. So you can pick whatever color is going to work best for you, and whatever brightness will work best for you as well. I have to say that that is really a pretty good amount of light that it puts out as such. I currently have an old school fluorescent light over my kitchen sink, and it is still working. It's about this color temperature as you see now in the cool white like that. One day that fixture is going to die, and or the bulbs are pretty expensive, but this should last up to 50,000 hours, and for how long I might have this on, an hour a day, not even, probably, it should last a nice long time. And on low, you still get quite a bit of light for the particular job that you might need. Might be just enough or real good at night. So once again, this was the PESUTEN LED under cabinet light. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.